Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Dodge Charger is probably one of the most iconic American muscle cars, renowned for its powerful engines, aggressive styling, and thrilling driving experience, making it a top choice for enthusiasts seeking raw performance and a commanding presence on the road. This legendary vehicle continues to evolve, blending classic muscle car heritage with modern technology and comfort, ensuring that every drive is an exhilarating adventure, whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling winding roads. Its distinctive design and unmistakable roar have cemented its status as a symbol of automotive freedom and power, appealing to those who appreciate a car that's as bold as it is capable. Number 5. 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Widebody Diecast Model. Introducing the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Widebody, a meticulously crafted 1/24 scale collectible model. This stunning replica captures the essence of the iconic muscle car. Measuring 8 inches long, 3 inches wide, and 2.5 inches high, this model is built with attention to detail, including realistic plastic parts. It's a perfect addition to any collection. Each model comes individually packed in a display-ready window box, measuring 9.75 inches long, 4.3 inches wide, and 4 inches high. It's ready to be showcased right out of the box. Experience the thrill with its freewheel action, allowing for smooth movement. You can also open the doors to admire the detailed interior. This exceptional die-cast model is brought to you by MotorMax, ensuring quality craftsmanship and a true representation of the original vehicle. It's a must-have for enthusiasts. What we like. This is a highly detailed die-cast model. If you are a collector or a fan of the iconic Challenger SRT Hellcat Widebody, this red version offers a striking display piece. Its realistic features and compact size make it perfect for showcasing on a desk or shelf. What people say. Looks good and it goes to my die-cast collection. Great quality car cover, heavy-duty material. He absolutely loved it along with the very nice attention to detail. Number 4. 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Widebody Diecast Model. Introducing a meticulously crafted 1/24 scale replica. It measures approximately 8 by 3 by 2.75 inches, perfect for display. Experience true-to-life details with openable doors and free-running wheels. The interior is also highly detailed, capturing the essence of the original. Built to last, this model is constructed from durable die-cast metal combined with high-quality plastic parts. This exquisite model comes brand new, presented in its original window box packaging. Add this stunning piece to your collection. It's a fantastic representation of the iconic Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Widebody. What we like. This collectible model boasts an all-black aesthetic, exuding a sleek and powerful presence. If you appreciate the menacing look of the Hellcat Widebody and enjoy models with interactive elements like opening doors, this is an excellent choice for your collection. What people say. 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Widebody black with white stripes that is shown on the picture is exactly what you are getting. It was a beautiful car. I cannot wait to use this in my films. Number 3. Rightline Gear Range Junior Rooftop Cargo Carrier. Introducing a versatile rooftop cargo carrier designed to expand your vehicle's storage capacity. Keep your gear conveniently on top, ensuring a comfortable and safe journey for everyone. This carrier is built to protect your belongings from the elements. With welded seams and a urethane-coated zipper, it ensures your items stay dry no matter the weather. Crafted from UV-protected, durable mesh, it's designed for longevity. You can trust it to keep your cargo secure and dry without shifting during transit. Setting it up is a breeze. Attach it directly to your roof rack or use the included clips to secure it to your car's door frame. When not in use, it conveniently folds down into a compact stuff sack. Everything you need for setup is included, making it easy to store and transport. What we like. This rooftop cargo carrier is designed for maximum gear protection and convenience. If you frequently travel with extra luggage, need to free up interior space, or are heading on a road trip, this waterproof carrier is ideal for keeping your belongings safe and dry. What people say. The Dodge Charger has a powerful engine that provides excellent acceleration. The interior of the Dodge Durango is spacious and comfortable, making it ideal for families. Dodge vehicles often come with advanced safety features, such as blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control. Number 2. Chilton Dodge Durango and Dakota Repair Manual. Keep your 2004 to 2011 Dodge Durango or Dakota pickup running smoothly. This comprehensive manual provides all the information you need for maintenance and repairs. Save time and money by tackling repairs yourself. Our guide offers step-by-step instructions for a wide range of common issues. Benefit from the expertise of Chilton's automotive professionals. Get clear, concise advice for every job, big or small. This manual is specifically designed for Dodge Durango models from 2004 to 2009 and Dakota pickups from 2005 to 2011. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a beginner, this repair manual is an indispensable tool for maintaining your vehicle's value and performance. What we like. This is an essential resource for owners of specific Dodge models. If you enjoy performing your own maintenance, troubleshooting issues, or simply want to understand your vehicle better, this repair manual provides detailed instructions and diagrams for DIY repairs. What people say. The Dodge Charger has a powerful engine that provides excellent acceleration. The interior of the Dodge Durango is spacious and comfortable, perfect for families. Dodge vehicles are known for their robust build quality and reliability. Number 1. CarsCover Custom Fit Car Cover for Dodge Charger. Keep your Dodge Charger shielded from the elements. Our custom fit cover provides complete defense against rain, snow, sun, and dust, ensuring it stays pristine. Crafted with a multi-layer, heavy-duty material and reinforced stitching, this cover is built for maximum durability. It's designed to withstand even the harshest weather conditions. Don't worry about wind or storms. The elastic hem and built-in straps ensure a snug and secure fit, keeping the cover firmly in place no matter the weather. The soft inner lining prevents scratches, safeguarding your vehicle's paint. It also protects against harmful UV rays, bird droppings, and tree sap. Convenience is key. This cover comes with a storage bag, making it easy to transport and store when not in use. Installation and removal are quick and simple. What we like. This car cover offers superior, custom-fit protection for your Dodge Charger. If you need to safeguard your vehicle from harsh weather elements, dust, and UV damage, especially when parked outdoors, this heavy-duty cover ensures your paint remains pristine. What people say. Cover fits perfectly on a 07 Charger RT, nice and snug, does not come off with the wind. It fits snug but covered all of the bumpers, no paint is exposed. Car stays dry when it rains and clean from dust and leaves. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.